Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is one of the hat that was a collaboration that my son got. I'm not sure which collaboration, but anyway, this one is about $70, which is pretty quite expensive compared to Supreme or Palace or other brands out there. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. Hopefully there's no invoice in here. Oh, there's the invoice. This one is the ALD New Era chain stitch Yankee hat. Black color, size 7 1/4. That's a UPC code right there, and then the quantity is 1. So this is just a plain bag. With the warning message about this bag, and then there's a recycle symbol right there. It says number 4. So here you go. It's a New Era 5950 7 and then 1/4 size. Then you got the New York Yankee on the front hit. So got the Aimé, Dore. That's what the ALD stand for. Got the nice stitching right there on the embroidery. And this is the 6 panel hat. You have 6 of those ventilation holes. And got the MLB right here. This is fitted. And they got the New Era right here in embroidery in black. Let's go and check out the inner side. You got the 7 1/4 right here. And then you got the ALD again with the New Era. And this one is the made in Vietnam, 100% lana or 100% wool. And this is MLB genuine merchandise. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.